right now we are standing at Gurdwara Guru Nanak Darbar camp in Pune, where we have seen on the celebration of Vaisakhi that is going in Gurdwara. As you can see, the entire Gurdwara is decorated. The entire Gurdwara is beautiful, creating a vibrant and spiritual atmosphere. As you can see, a striking floral arrangement displaying the Khalsa represents his own spirit, a life guided by courage, truth and equality. As we can see, the entire Gurdwara inside the Guru Granth Sahib Ji has also placed with utmost respect and is beautifully with flowers and traditional cloth with the covering. The palki is the Guru Granth Sahib Ji palki sahib is elegantly decorated, reflecting the deep devotion of the devotees present. A continuous flow of devotees can be seen offering prayers, bowing down and taking the darshan of Guru Maharaj. The atmosphere remains peaceful and filled with devotion and unity. On the occasion, Langar Seva is also being carried out. People from all walks of life sitting together and sharing the meals and bhajans together by chanting Vaheguru Vaheguru together with equality and community. Vaisakhi holds a great historical significance. On this day in 1699 at Anandpur Sahib, Guru Gobind Singh Maharaj established the Khalsa Panth. He prepared Amrit using water, sugar, crystals known as patashe and while reciting the prayers. He then initiated 5 men who came to known as the Panch Pyare, giving them the identity of Singh mean lion. In a remarkable act, Guru Gobind Singh Ji himself bowed before them and asked to be initiated, making the foundation of the Khalsa a panth of discipline, bravery and equality. Similar celebrations are being observed not only here but across the Pune and in many parts of the state and cities as people come together to make this auspicious occasion. As you can see, all the members are sitting together and chanting this Simran like with devotion and unity. And we can see lots of the decoration has taken place. As you can see in the right front, the floral which is like in Khalsa Mera Khas that has been decorated with the flowers, and people are going down and doing the devotions and unity together. As we can see, as we have seen, a large number of people are over here on the occasion of Vaisakhi. Vaisakhi is the historical tradition that was taken in 1699 at Anandpur Sahib with Guru Maharaj Dasve Patsha Shri Guru Gobind Singh Maharaj Ji. Not only in Pune, various parts of cities and state Vaisakhi has been celebrated. In Pune also we have seen not only in the Gurudwara of Camp, we have seen in Ganesh Pet and many places this occasion has been celebrated. I am Harjit Kaur with camera person Ajay from Pune Times Mirror.